there's no waste, so there's no plastic involved,
Yeah.
and we're reducing the pollution impact. So
Yeah.
carbon impact is less.
Yeah.
The material we're going to use is the one that they usually sell.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And biodiversity, I think in return, this actually has a major impact on biodiversity. It depends on the number of fruits that we involve in making the juices,
Yeah.
and this might employ more farmers to
Yeah. Yeah.
plant a lot of trees,
Yeah.
grow a lot of mangoes or whatever
Yeah.
fruits. It will create its own biodiversity with more insects coming to that particular area, and there'll be an impact on grain in that
Yeah.
particular region.
Yeah.
So wherever they're planning to have an airport, close to that is where we are planning to have these trees.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
So the amount of juice can be
Yeah. Yeah.
they can also
Yeah. Yeah. It's really really good input you come with. Now I just want to see it here how this business model will work. So you have to put it up here. Okay. it, it's very good.
so we are doing sandwiches or business model.
Yeah, the sandwich. Yes. Yeah.
We can do sir sustainable packaging.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some packaging made of leaves.
Yeah.
Like banana leaves you
Yeah.
can use as
Yeah.
packaging, then you can also use biodegradable products for packaging,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
bamboo,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
like we use solar powered kitchen
Yeah.
for making that,
Yeah.
to make,
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
then locally
Yeah.
sourced resources
Yeah.
to make them sandwich.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then also organic and local products.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But that's really just a small comment. That you will feel that the rest of the course. I'm just giving you some inputs. So if anybody of you are thinking about changing the material, for example, on it could be a box or it could be some bottle or coffee or whatever. Always think about which of the dimension are you now addressing. So if it's anything with material, technology, then it's always on the competence dimension in the technology dimension. So if you are changing, for example, let's say plastic into some that is another material, then you are addressing that component. Yeah. If you are, for example, forcing the user or the customer to do some different things, then it's of course that dimension or those components. If you are doing something on the value proposition, then so please always have an idea on which of the dimension and components are you now addressing when you are changing. Okay. you're all over India. Can you imagine? You'll be a hero. Modi will be able to see it. Yes.
Culture farmer culture.
We are looking forward to long-term partnerships with organic farmers
Yeah.
for the sourcing of fresh juice
Yeah.
instead of the packaged ones.
Yes.
That we
Yes.
there are a lot of brands
Yeah.
like Lindgren.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't know the credibility, like what are they exactly using or how are they sourcing. Like it's on the packaging, like, but they also have many chemicals to store it and everything. But
Yeah.
if we are directly taking it from the farmers, we are getting it in a less cost, but also fresh,
Yeah.
which is eco-friendly.
Yes.
And also
Yeah.
ensure that we on that we pay a fair amount to them.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Which will also make sure that we are on the profit side as well as
They are also
Exactly.
getting their fair share.
fair
Yeah,
share, and also
yeah.
the sustainability thing
Yeah,
will be there because
yeah.
we are sourcing from
Yeah. And then which dimension are you touching on of in the business model when you are doing such? Which of the
resources.
6 dimension if you are going for organic farmers?
Networking,
Yeah,
Basic
exactly. Yeah,
competencies,
yeah, yeah,
then value chain functions,
yeah,
yeah, value formula
yeah,
also for the
yeah,
cost.
yeah,
basically we are trying to touch every dimension,
yeah,
every aspect
yeah.
that can be touched.
And then of course if you touch on all of them, it gets complex. So if you can,
We are trying to trim it down.
it's easier. It's easier if you have every dimension up in the air. Then it gets more complex. Yeah. No. I'm not restricting you. I'm just telling you. Because, yeah.
We can narrow it down, or
Yeah.
if it is possible for us to touch everything, we will. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we'll narrow it down.
Yeah. 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 Another small input for you is that we were supposed to touch upon incremental and radical and disruptive business model innovation. And the thing is that if you change all 7 dimensions, then it gets into the area of disruptive innovation. If you only touch on 1 or 2 of the dimension, you'll still keep it in the incremental, and then it's something that you can do like this. And if it's a 4 or something a little bit more, then you're in the radical area. We'll talk more about it when we meet tomorrow. But it's just I'm telling you that if you are changing all dimension, then it gets complex. Just food for thought. You look as if you don't want to be here anymore. You're thinking. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay. You're in a thinking process. Yes, that's how you look when you are thinking. Okay, that's good. I will not disturb you. You can do a lot of things. It's possible to do a lot of green stuff in this case. Yeah,
Actually, I was also thinking something to do with the packaging and all that stuff.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right.
We Indians actually, when we travel, we don't go for so much stuff during the flights.
No, no, no,
We will not do that.
no.
We either carry food from our home,
Yeah,
or else once we reach the destination, we come out of the airport.
yeah.
Something we'll grab from the airport, or something we'll go near.
Okay, okay. So you,
That's how the thing works.
yeah. So you buy local.
I am
Yeah.
not a local.
No.
My hometown is like around 3 hours from here. So I
Ah.
also provide flight.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. There's no train.
Train is there, but it
Yeah.
takes a lot of time.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
want to reach quick.
Yeah.
That is the problem. Train will take around 35 hours.
Okay.
Almost every day.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Flight is convenient.
Yeah.
For most of the people,
Yeah.
flight is convenient.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. And, yeah.
Sandwich packet as our business.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You can take the sandwich boxes, yeah, but then and then you are maybe on a portfolio layer because there are more yeah, yeah, yeah. You can do that. Yes, yes.
Sandwich packet as our business model, and how we can use the technology in that.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And then the only thing is you need to find out all the components as we started with the other case, put them out, and then put it together, and then we'll see if it works. Eh, yeah. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, certainly. Is it difficult? No? Challenging? Yeah. You feel restricted when I say that you can only choose one business model. You would like to do. So you have agreed on a cookie? Okay, okay, that's nice. Yes. Uh, Tomorrow we'll do some more regular lectures. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tomorrow they will not be doing this service.
I think we'll keep it, but we'll do a little bit. Yeah, yeah. But,
When we shift the chairs like this, or if you shift it over here,
yeah,
we have this screen over here.
yeah,
We'll move the podium a little bit this side so that you will be able to.
yeah, yeah. But yeah, yeah, yeah. It's,
So now we are getting a feed like this.
yeah,
That entire things that the
yeah.
students are doing.
I think it's very nice.
This
Yeah,
feed is actually
yeah,
like this. That thing is happening like when we are sharing the PPT.
yeah,
So we need to see how to solve that issue.
yeah, yeah,
Or else maybe if possible we will try to share the PPT in some other screen
yeah,
and make sure that the live happens like this.
yeah,
We'll see
yeah,
that tomorrow.
yeah,
That
yeah,
becomes sort of
yeah, yeah.
let's see what happens.
Yes, yes. So, so now you are constructing the business model. You're drawing up the business model now, how it should work. Yes. Yeah. 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 Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Mm.
Products में है ना product को फिर उसको publish because content is not like if this is in
Is it a good business model? Is it a green good business model?
We are trying to make it a
Yeah.
green, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it green as possible? Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Because we are cutting the costs. We'll explain it. We are cutting
Yeah.
the costs. We are using fresh juices.
Okay.
We'll explain it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And we are thinking of a little more. Let's see what can we add.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Less plastic. Can we add?
Yeah.
Less
Yeah.
carbon footprint as possible.
Yeah. 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 That's I, so you believe that you can save on and green on all four boxes, or
yes, we
yeah,
can save the resources, we can biodiversity to some extent.
yeah,
Pollution also can be saved by and wastage.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Waste is also being done.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Whatever waste we have is
yeah,
biodegradable.
yeah, 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 yeah,
No, no, these are the food boxes.
yeah, 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 Yeah.
Collaborative.
And that's actually touch on this circular perspective, because that goes outside of single business and go into partnerships and so on. Yeah, we haven't touched upon that theoretically yet, but that's where we are going. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What? I'm learning Hindi. But until now, I can only say tiki tiki. And bam bam bola. Yeah, because because if you don't have all dimensions included, then it will never live. And this is what I do with the entrepreneurs. I start on sketching it up before they go to market, the ecosystem, because why should they go if it doesn't work? You can say whatever you like. it gets a little hot here late on the afternoon. It gets a little hot here in the room. No, I was just thinking about is that normal that the temperature raise in the afternoon?
Yes, it is a
Yeah,
little bit normal over
yeah,
here.
yeah. Okay,
The
yeah, yeah,
afternoons will be like this,
yeah,
but
yeah.
today I think it's a little bit less because we had a rain yesterday.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
it's a little bit like that. If the sun is there,
yeah.
then a little bit the temperature will be better. Because
Okay.
actually now this is the winter season for us.
Yeah, yeah.
It won't be like Denmark.
No, no, no,
Negative
no, no,
temperatures.
no,
It won't be like that.
no.
You'll get the negative temperatures,
Yeah.
yeah, but for that you'll have to go to Delhi or Kashmir.
Oh, Kashmir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
over
yeah,
there you will get.
yeah,
Over
yeah,
now it will be like this, but
yeah,
from evening then till night again
yeah.
the temperatures will be start
We-
decreasing and
Yeah,
feel the chill.
yeah. Okay.
This is how it works.
Okay.
But I think in January, the beginning weeks, so it was quite low, the temperatures. It
Yeah.
was a little bit chill.
Yeah.
Even in the afternoons, also the temperatures were quite low.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now it happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes it will happen,
Yeah.
sometimes it will be like
Yeah.
normal.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a good thing you're visiting India
Yeah.
at this point of time.
I understand that. Yes.
In the summer,
Yeah.
it's a little bit difficult
Yeah.
for Europeans or even
Yeah.
Americans
Yeah.
over here.
But in the summer it will be very hot in here.
Extremely.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All the air conditions are going like yes. Yes. Yeah. That's oh. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. So,
So,
where is the juice?
okay. So basically, we are looking forward to ditch the artificial juices which are available out there in the market.
Yeah.
And for that, we are trying to build long-term partnerships with local farmers who do their farming with organic techniques,
Yeah.
and also with the cooperative societies.
Mhm.
And if you see the digital section, we are trying to incorporate a ERP system.
Mhm.
Organized resource planning. Yes, yes. And
Yeah.
also the customer relationship management softwares are there.
Like BMS, vendor
Yes,
management
yes,
system.
yes. To connect
Yeah.
all the basically the suppliers and all, basically to connect them under a single umbrella.
Yeah.
We have incorporated
Yeah.
that. From that we go to
The value formula.
Yeah.
So basically, when we buy a real, like in planes, they provide us with real juices, the brand, the Tetra packs. So when if we are buying a 5 liter Tetra pack, for like in a day we at least consume a 2 to 3 Tetra packs. So if 2100 is for one day, and if we see for 30 days, it's 63,000 is our cost. And the same thing, if 5 liter we are taking from farmers in our own containers, for one day it's 1500, and for 30 days it's only 45,000. So basically here we can see that how much our cost is cut if we are directly sourcing from the farmers.
Okay.
The cost is it's in a like it's cut. So the main cost for us will be the cup costs and the transportation costs,
Yeah.
that how we'll transport it to ourselves from the farmers, and also the cups that we'll buy, because we'll have to buy it all the time, always.
Yeah.
It will be a recurring cost. And from here we go to the value proposition. So
Mhm.
basically our product will be fresh juice.
Mhm.
It is directly coming from the farmers. They are providing us the fresh juice. And
we are looking forward to mention all the ingredients which we are using in our juice. It is to be clearly labeled.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
what should be like what is there in the front should also be there in the back side.
Yeah.
Basically, our
Yeah.
motto is that
Yeah.
every ingredient should be clear enough so that the customer can have a very
Because
clear
yeah,
idea.
know what
Because
they're taking.
because
Because in the Tetra packs, we can't rely on the Tetra packs. They have various chemicals to store the juices and everything.
Because they have
But
like a longer shelf life.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they have a lot of chemicals and sugar in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are eliminating that and keeping it as eco-friendly and as
Yeah.
less
Yeah.
sugary
as
as
Yeah.
possible.
possible.
Yeah.
And also the instant food. So one more thing, like when we decided going for paper cups,
Mm.
the paper cups generally get very soggy very fast.
Yeah.
Like when McDonald's started this paper cup concept,
Yeah.
it failed because of the very fact that they used to get very soggy
Yeah.
and the customers were not liking it.
Mm.
So we thought that in a journey, in a plane journey, the time is not very long.
Mm.
Like the cabin crew comes and gives you the food, like when they came to
It's
them,
a very
they
short.
give you
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they bring their trolley along with them.
Yeah.
So rather than storing it, like pouring it beforehand,
Yeah.
they can just instantly pour when the customer asks for
Yeah.
juice.
Yeah.
So that will help in a way that it will keep the paper cups
Mm.
not like sustained for a longer period of time,
Mm.
and the customers won't
Yeah.
be angry that it got soggy long
No. No.
before. So
You.
that is one idea that will save the resources,
Yeah.
at the same time will keep the customers and the consumers satisfied,
Yeah.
because generally the main point for the consumer comes when it comes to quality of a product.
Mm.
Like whatever you call consumer, you would not like it if the cup is not properly
No.
handled, or you
No.
won't be able to handle the cup properly.
No.
So
Uh,
yeah,
And when we come to the organizational system, the competency
Yeah.
section, we are looking forward to minimize carbon footprint emissions or whatever it is by optimizing the delivery schedules.
Yeah.
Optimizing the delivery schedule of the juices and all.
Yeah.
Basically the transport in which the juice.
Okay, so you think you can do a faster and a more optimal? Yeah. So what you are thinking is you can save CO2 on the transportation.
yes, yeah. And again, rather than
Ah,
having
okay.
normal trucks transfer it,
Yeah.
which use either diesel or petrol,
Yeah.
we can obviously switch for EVs.
Because
Ah, okay. Yeah. 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 Now you're gonna.
because
So.
even the research says that
Yeah.
electric vehicles are more fuel efficient,
Yeah.
energy efficient.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
best to use if we are planning
Yeah.
long.
Where is the electricity produced for the EVs?
Electricity we have to work on, because there's so many natural resources that also can work
Yeah.
on that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Because.
that will come in a bigger picture if you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
For just this,
Yeah.
this is juice perspective.
Yeah.
Because in some
Yeah.
way or the other, we
Yeah.
have to sacrifice something.
Yeah.
Some to get a better hold of something
Oh,
else.
now you're getting into, because now you have to you're in a kind of a dilemma, because on some areas you have to suffer some.
It's at the end,
Yeah.
when we think about a plane flying,
Yeah.
it needs a lot of carbon footprint.
Exactly.
We cannot stop that. We can minimize that much as we can.
Yeah. No, but that is exactly where we want to go, because you have dilemmas. Yes. And so that's. But related to the cups, I know that, for example, in big festivals, for example in Denmark, the music festival, they operate with that all the wastes are turned into cups. So yeah.
Sir, but reusable cups in flight will raise hygiene issues, because
Yeah.
in flights you don't have a place where you can wash them.
No.
Denmark, they
Yeah.
use the old waste to make cups.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, but even on the festival, when you go, then they have a kind of a tent where they actually take the waste and make it into new cups. How they do it, I don't know, but that's one of the biggest festivals for music. Yeah.
Pulp out of paper, the concept of pulp out of paper.
Yeah, but I guess you also have this with the high that it can be dangerous on health.
Like that will fall outside, like outside the boundary of this.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You have
That
to limit.
that
Yes,
will
yeah,
counter a different
yeah,
business model.
yeah,
business model.
Yeah.
yeah,
If I
yeah,
take the
yeah,
business model of cups, then we
yeah,
can incorporate
yeah,
that.
We can do the hygiene thing, like
yeah,
we can, if you are using the paper cups, we can use different plastics for different, which is the waste which are biodegradable. We can use it.
yeah,
We can use a different plastic because in
yeah.
flights they use the same plastic for both, for
Exactly.
the for
For waste
everything.
Yeah,
collection.
So
yeah,
we can
yeah, yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. But I think you
differentiate
are
that thing.
touching on some very
Yeah.
exciting things here. So just go
So we
ahead. We
touched
have,
only these four
yeah,
things
yeah,
for now.
yeah, yeah,
Just
yeah,
to be so
yeah,
that
yeah.
we don't make it complex.
No, 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 no. It's very, very critical that you limit yourself because otherwise you will never finish. We very, yeah, 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 yeah. No, no, yeah, good, yeah. Good. We have about 15 minutes left, and at this time, my normal students they will be finished and they will be off. But I can see you are still not quite finished. I'm teasing you a little bit. I know this is a critical thing, but as there was mentioned over here, one thing is that you will probably very soon, or if you have not already, you will reach some, I call them green walls, or some dilemmas where you have to suffer something to gain some other things. And it means, for example, if you go one way to green, then you might do something. For example, if you choose electrical vehicles, what about the electricity? How is it produced? And so on. And this is something that we are going to speak about tomorrow much more, because when you are doing circular and sustainable business model, you get these challenges because you can't control and you can't do everything in one time. Yeah, you're done. Yeah, okay.
Guys, before signing, I request you all to carefully read the sentences. Okay. Some people have signed in advance, which is not required. So basically, there are two sheets. One is for the daily basis, one is for the daily attendance, and one is for the lecture wise thing. So be very clear with that and don't confuse these. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have taken the packaging of juice.
Yeah,
So our,
yeah, yeah,
our component is going to be juice, and we are going to be eliminating the plastic or the paper bag
yeah,
which comes.
yeah,
So the product involved will be the package. No? The juice is actually a product. We are eliminating the
yeah,
plastic, so juice is a product.
yeah,
And service we are providing customers the juice that we will be making instead of procuring it.
yeah.
As you can, as you had showed us in pictures, those are I think the product of a different company which is providing juice.
Yeah, yeah,
So what we are planning to do is we are planning to do something that's homegrown or something that we do within the company.
yeah,
And the process will involve a few people who are based at the airport
yeah.
from our end. And do you want us to first tell the actual plan and then go with the innovation?
Uh, I would very much like to see the complete business model, how it works, and then while you are going through it, then you talk about how is this greening.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So okay, then the first thing would be value chain analysis.
yeah,
Value chain analysis. When you look at the primary side of it,
yeah,
we have inbound logistics,
yeah,
and we have they are not
there won't be any logistic because after procurement of the fruits and all, we'll provide, we'll manufacture or produce it in the airport itself. The Indigo itself, they will make it and serve it in the flights. So no outbound logistics. That
Okay.
cost is
Yeah.
there is no cost. Also, there won't be any marketing or any other sales thing will be cost. There won't be any sales or marketing cost.
So the production will be close to the airplane.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
And after the procurement, we'll go for listening.
We are going to be eliminating the home
Front
infrastructure
facade.
because we won't have any warehouses that we're going to be depending on.
Okay.
When we want to procure, we'll just let the supplier know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Human resources mostly only for operations.
Only for operations, there will be human
We already
resource.
have people, a lot of people working for Indigo.
Yeah.
So this is also eliminated. We're saving costs there. And technology development is
There's
no
nothing
new
sci-fi
technology.
about it.
Okay.
It's
There's
pretty much new.
Procuring foods.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And only procurement is
Yeah.
from supply.
Yeah.
And we are eliminating outbound logistics.
And marketing and sales is also not there.
Okay. Okay.
So there's only service.
Only
Yeah.
service will be provided.
Yeah. So you're taking out a lot of yeah.
And
Yeah.
our organizational system is based on the value chain model.
Yeah.
So that is the organizational system. And our culture is sustainability driven because we are eliminating a lot of
Yeah, we are not serving the plastic in plastics or anything. There will be jugs or bottles in the flights
Yeah.
from where they can serve the
like how
customers
you got
directly.
water or coffee in a cup.
Yeah.
Similarly, also we'll serve it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Since we are going to employ few people to blend the juices,
Yeah.
and the way we are going to do it is we are going to start something called Indigo Cafe
We can
in the airport.
in the airport
Okay.
itself also we can open a cafe
Yeah.
for where specifically Indigo customers will get a juice at a discounted price.
Yeah.
If they can,
Okay. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So usually the prices inside the airport are quite high.
Yeah.
So if the cost of juice is €1 outside,
Yeah.
inside the airport it might be €5.
Yeah.
We charge around €1.5 or €2. If you're taking if you're flying Indigo,
Okay.
then you pay 1.5.
Yeah.
But if you're flying another aircraft, you
Yeah.
have to pay 2.
Okay.
It's not going to be €5.
No. No. No.
It's
No.
going to be less,
Yeah. Yeah.
but
Yeah.
benefit if you're
Yeah.
flying Indigo.
So how shall I understand it? You will get a business that doesn't earn so much as previously. Is that right? You're coming up with a business model where the earning will be less for Indigo.
No, we are paying more because we are purchasing, we're procuring
Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay.
in the juice bottle itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are eliminating the packaging and also the logistics.
So you will save on cost, but the price for the customer will be less.
No, in flight cost will be the same.
I'm challenging you because I'm just thinking about are you giving all the benefits and the cost reduction to the customers?
in-flight. Usually, if you're looking for economy of sales,
Yeah,
so what happens is scales, economy of scales.
yeah,
So the more they produce,
yeah,
the cost of the product
yeah,
is
yeah.
less.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
So we are not doing any marketing.
No,
The word is spread saying
yeah,
that you get more.
yeah,
They give it to you at an economical price.
yeah.
So the Indigo Cafe is going to be running at a profit because the Indigo Cafe is the place that they're going to be making juices for the flights as well.
Okay,
So our
okay.
raw materials are not going to go to waste. Instead
Hmm.
of throwing it away or that getting spoiled, we will be serving other customers too. Who will become the potential customers of the flight.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
We
I
are
see.
attracting customers at the
Yeah,
same time.
yeah,
So that's what we're doing.
yeah,
And generally, we charge a certain amount for the food package.
yeah,
Like for all the food together.
yeah,
And if you want a glass of juice, you'll have to pay a certain amount.
yeah.
So in this model, the way we're going to be making the juice, the cost will be less, but we're not going to change the cost of like what we're giving in general for the packaging juice.
No, no,
Price will remain the same.
the price will be the same.
Yes,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
main focus
yeah.
was on
So,
the sustainability
yeah,
of the product.
yeah. So you will have the difference between the price and the cost will be, and then it will give an earning. Yes, yeah, yeah.
And future, in future, we can be also thinking about, you know, say that airport thing, the plantation.
So we are gonna be targeting the plantation of our own around the airport,
Yeah,
so that
This will be a joint ventures of all the airlines.
yeah,
So where all the airlines
yeah,
come together,
yeah.
go for some plantation, because there are lots of free space near the airport. When
Okay.
you will enter in the airport,
Yeah,
there are
yeah,
lots of
yeah,
uh, land
yeah.
which are
Yes,
vacant.
yes,
So
yes.
we can go for fruit
Yeah,
plantation.
yeah. So you're actually proposing that a green business model that will be a better business for them. Yeah,
so what we are thinking is, in the future we'll become the supplier. Here we are
yeah,
getting raw materials from the
yeah,
supplier
yeah,
who's giving us the fruits.
yeah,
But if we have a plantation of our own, we
yeah.
cannot use all the fruits
No,
for
no. Okay.
the
Yeah,
customers.
no,
So
that's
we'll
fine.
become the
Yeah,
suppliers.
yeah,
We might have our own
yeah,
strategic business
yeah,
unit where we step into the
That will
yeah,
start a new
yeah,
business from
yeah,
there.
yeah,
We can supply within the aviation industry and also outside
yeah, yeah.
outside the aviation.
It sounds convincing. It sounds convincing. Yes. Yeah.
so we
Yeah.
scale our business that
Yeah.
way. So
Yeah.
initially there'll be a stable profit,
Yeah.
not a huge
Great,
profit.
something.
No.
Because initially we are most focused on sustainability of the product, several of the
Yeah.
like whatever we're serving, the
Yeah.
juice or the packaging.
And which of the three parameters is the most important? The environmental, the business, or the social?
Initially,
You are firing people.
social, but social is not a big focus because we don't have a lot of people we can employ.
Okay, okay, okay. No, but we will also come back to that. We'll come back to that because that is one thing we have not touched upon really, but it's still hanging. So we'll come back to that tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great, great. I think you're on a good track here. Thank you. Yeah.
Factory wants to interact with you.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That it's a heavy workload. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So.
So we are taking our as a product as a jaggery cookies. So in that case, we are using sugar cane. So for the to make the
Okay.
jaggery, so to make the jaggery, the main product,
Yeah.
the main element that is using for the cookies. So from the sugar cane, so we are getting some wastes. So from the wastes, we are actually manufacturing that bags and the
Yeah.
packaging bags.
From the waste of
Yes,
sugar cane.
sugar canes.
Okay, so we
Yes.
won't have any smoke in Delhi.
No, sorry,
They
sir.
will not burn.
No,
No.
no, sir.
No.
So actually, there is
Okay.
a
Okay.
another traditional
Okay.
method where
Yeah.
you have to like soak it in the water
Yeah.
for 2 to 3 days, and it's got softened out, and then by using some like additional technologies and chemicals, we are converting into the
Yeah.
fiber bags. So there's
So you're
another.
using chemicals.
Can you no? So
No,
yes,
I'm
penetrance.
the devil's mother here. I'm
Yeah. So
asking the stupid questions.
oh, no, no. So, so technology, like another technology that we are sustainable technologies.
Okay.
For that,
Okay.
it can
Okay.
not connected with the
Yes.
moistures and other things.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
and other than this, for that reason, we are actually wants the like electricity, and for that reason, as we are using mass water, so for that reason we are actually generating power from that storage water,
Okay.
stored water,
Okay. So
by
you're using the
yes
water.
turbine,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
turbine
Yeah.
energy. So and after that we have our package. For the packaging purpose, we have eco-friendly baggages or the paper bags,
Yeah.
and we have the sugar juice from where the jaggery actually will be produced.
Mhm.
And
Yeah,
main product
cookies.
is the
Yeah,
cookies, but we are also, since we are already generating the paper for our packaging,
yeah,
so we are also proposing that we can also use the sugarcane juice. We can like outlet it or outsource it to other,
yeah,
or we can sell
yeah,
it. So that's an idea.
yeah,
For with the paper we can make bags that
yeah.
also we can sell. Fiber bags,
Fiber
sustainable
bags.
paper
Yes,
bags.
yes.
That is also we are proposing. And in other values, we are employing the locals, which also is considered sustainable.
Yeah.
Employing the local peoples, and we are purchasing the sugar canes from the local farmers.
Okay.
So
Well, why is it you think that if you buy local, then you get more green?
uh,
Why do you think so?
By local mean organic, made up
Yeah.
of organic.
yes,
Yeah.
organic.
Yeah. Ah,
Organic
okay,
produce, yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
That is very usual in India.
yeah, yeah. But
Yes,
I'm
yes.
just thinking about if you buy local and then you bring it to airport, then you have some transport and so on.
So we're buying the raw materials from the locals.
Okay.
The sugar cane,
Yeah,
we are
yeah,
buying it
yeah,
from the local
yeah,
farmers.
yeah, yeah.
The local farmers were producing it organically.
Yeah, yeah, but and what I mean here is that I understand what you are saying here, that you are going to with the local and you are going at the where it's produced originally, but then also to transport it to the airplane is a longer distance sometimes. But you are thinking local, that is near the airport.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Actually, farming is basically done in the outskirts of a
yeah,
city or like
yeah,
the crowded
yeah.
place. Plus, the factories are also installed outside in the outskirts of
Yeah,
the city.
yeah.
So
What
it
kind of
produces the
fuel are the trucks running on?
Thinking of bringing from the farmland to the factories, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So nearby farmlands.
So you request EV vehicles?
yeah, we are also
Okay.
generating the
Yeah,
power energy
yeah,
from the
yeah.
water.
What is the electricity that the EV runs on? What is that produced on?
Battery run. Yes, battery run.
Yeah, 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 no, yeah. What I'm asking for is the electricity that the EV cars or trucks should run on. What is that produced on? Is that on coal or is it nuclear or is it what is it made of?
So we can use the electricity that we are already generating. Sir, in that case, we are actually working on a technology that is piezoelectric cell, from where, from the pressure on itself, it generated energy. So when the vehicles running on the roadside, it
Okay, okay.
generating
Now we
energy
get it.
itself.
No,
So
no,
we can
yeah,
charge it out
yeah,
like
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah,
intersection. So we
yeah.
don't need any kind of another type of things. And
Oh, I didn't hear that first time. But this is where we are going. We have to
yes,
think about all. Yes, that's great. That's great. Thank you. Yeah.
Sustainable model.
Yeah.
Sustainable model.
Yes, because if we sold it in one area, then what is? Are we getting close? Yeah. Yeah. What is it?
Last
Oh,
2 minutes.
for
last
the
2 minutes,
next
so we
dimension.
close up. Okay. Uh, I think we have really done a good work today, and remember to take pictures. Don't wrap it up. Let it where it is because we continue tomorrow. And remember, everything that we are doing here, we have to collect for a final report. Uh, and then let's see what it ends up with. And we will meet each other tomorrow at 11. Yeah. Okay. Last 2 minutes discussion. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Usually, when they ask for 5 minutes, they take 10. But okay, be careful. Here's some fruit. Yeah, for the sandwich packet. Yeah, I can go here. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we need that one. Yes.
Seed package, like if like plants will grow, like for the waste reduction also.
Yeah.
Like by and as for and also for the waste reduction, by focusing on the 3 years, we can reduce the wastages also.
Okay. Yes. Great.
And also like we can we are focusing on bringing the awareness on the customers
Yeah.
by hiring the sustainability skilled workers, like the people who bring the
Yeah.
sustainability and awareness on the sustainability. Another like we can hire the people like who are skilled in the manufacturing in such manufacturing sustainable products.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are also working in the sustainable societies.
Okay. Yes.
We will be using solar manufacturing units to produce our packets.
So solid.
Solar
For the
manufacturing
production
units
of our
for production of our packets.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Then printing with eco-friendly ink.
Yes.
We'll be using then
Eco-friendly ink. Where does that come from?
so vegetable oil,
Okay.
vegetable oils or
Yeah.
water-based inks,
Okay.
and also we will be also using recycle. We will be recycling papers to produce our packaging materials.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay.
So in the networks, we have provided the digital transaction system and online websites are
Yeah.
also available. And we are focusing on the sustainable focus. Customers, those who are who are maintaining sustainability, we are focusing on them, eco-friendly people, and awareness and sustainability we are providing through our various programs.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all about our
Yeah. So if Indigo's management comes here tomorrow and would like to hear how you would green Indigo, you are ready to tell them? Okay. 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 Let's see. We will call them tonight. Okay. I think we will close up for today. Thank you very much. I have enjoyed it very much. Okay. You want to?